Many people are familiar with GPS positioning in their cars or whilst walking outdoors. When inside buildings, it is impossible to receive a GPS signal, therefore alternative ways of positioning need to be used. Work at Newcastle University's Transport Operations Research Group shows one possible way of doing this. Jürgen is a researcher in transport. He has designed the indoor positioning system here in Newcastle's Discovery Museum and is explaining it to David, who has volunteered to use the system today. The system uses lots of small computers called motes. These are placed in a network around the museum, and using wireless communication technology, they can talk to each other and to a base computer. Motes sometimes cannot talk to each other when placed far apart or around a corner, so use a technique called multi-hopping instead. This uses another mote to bridge the gap between the unconnected motes. In this way, all the motes in the network can talk to the base station, even though some are a long way from it. The system knows where David will be in the museum by tracking a portable mote which he carries along with his specially adapted device. When the portable mote is near to a network mote, the position of the portable mote is sent back to the base station. David's device is a personal digital assistant, or PDA. This device connects to a server using a wireless internet connection, and then the server is connected to the base station. Using this device, David can see a map of the museum. The blue area on the map shows David where he is in the museum. This is the position of the portable mote reported by the network mote. Now David has moved to the shop area. The mote visible above the display shelf detects David's portable mote, and David's position is sent back to the base station and the server is updated. As the PDA updates, the position represented by the blue area is also updated. The system can also provide route guidance. To use the route guidance, the Find menu is accessed, and in this case, the Turbinia viewing platform is selected. After a short delay, the path is represented by a blue line. This path uses fully accessible features of the museum, including, for example, the elevators. By pressing the Navi Plus button, the device now switches to finding the shortest route without accessibility features, and so uses the stairs instead of the elevator. As David moves around the museum, the position is automatically updated. When the device is brought close to an exhibit and becomes in range of the exhibit's own mote, the information of the exhibit is displayed on the device. By clicking on the picture of the exhibit, a larger version is presented. The information of the exhibit, which is supplied by the museum, can be updated whenever the museum needs, as it is stored on the server and not the user's device. David can also scroll through the text displayed. Clicking the Close button returns David to the map. As David returns to the information desk, the position is constantly updated on the device.